another video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to define this my coils using the coily sponge method. So my sponge is actually DIY. My sponge is DIY'd because I couldn't get the sponge. We're trying to do affordable here. And before I continue, my name is 𝑦eny. I'm a lifestyle content creator based in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. I bring you videos from lifestyle content, crochet videos, and also hair videos from time to time. So I cut my hair roughly 2 weeks and some days back, and the hair is actually grown out now, but I'm finding it hard to manage. So I decided on doing something that can be able to help me manage the hair very well. So that's why I had to look for ways to define my coil so that the hair can look presentable even without breaking the bank. So I decided to go to the grocery store to get this kind of sponge, but it doesn't have these holes. I was the one that made these holes by myself. As you can see, I made these holes myself using a scissors. If you want a tutorial on that, if you're having a low cut, you can tell me and I'll make it for you. So I'm going to be making use of this DIY sponge, and then I'm going to be making use of this comb. I'm going to use it to comb out my hair because you have to do it on a combed hair. And then I'm going to be making use of this gel. This gel is AM Pro Style Argan Oil Gel. So this is the gel I'm going to be making use of for this style. And I decided to put something like, I want to add a little leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to be using this leave-in conditioner by Mega Growth, leave-in strengthener by Mega Growth. I'm just going to be using a teeny bit of this just to moisturize my hair before I make use of the sponge, because you make sure you don't make use of the sponge with a dried hair. Make sure you don't use it with a dry hair. Make sure your hair is moistured and all of those stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and wet my hair with some water and possibly just dampen it a little, and then come back to you guys. So stay tuned and go nowhere. So guys, I went over to the toilet and I applied a little to the bathroom. I applied a little water to my hair. So I'm going to be adding this leave-in conditioner. Mind you, I washed my hair and I conditioned it this morning before I started this video. So I'm just going to add a little bit of this, just a little bit. This one is even too much. This is how small I'm taking. I'm going to apply it to my hair. I'm going to apply it to my hair. Then, if you watch, I'm manipulating my hair when it's wet and there's leave-in conditioner in it, just so I don't sustain any breakage, because my main reason for cutting my hair is to regrow it back. So my hair is all brushed up and good to go. Let's see if I'm going to achieve this or if it's going to be a total fail for me. So I'm just going to apply my gel now. I'm going to show you guys the consistency of the gel. It's not sponsored, so this is how the gel looks. I've used this for some time, so I'm just going to take as little as this. I don't want something too big, just something small. Or let me just add a little bit. So guys, it is time for me to make use of the sponge to show you guys what it looks like. I think I'm going to zoom in a little bit. If you're starting clockwise, continue clockwise. And if you're starting anti-clockwise, continue anti-clockwise. Don't start like this and continue like this. If you start like this, continue doing it this way until your coil starts coming. So I'm going to start from the back because that's where I have smaller hair. after much turning. So I had to, if you look closely, I had to use my hand to finger coil some of the ones at the front because they are way longer, but the ones at the back I just used this to do it. So this is how I was able to achieve this coil, and I added some of my gel because the first one I added was not really giving me what I wanted, so I added some, and I'm loving the outcome because my face has changed from this to this. You can see the changes. So guys, you can actually use this to achieve your own coil, and you can use this to achieve your own coil, and it worked. So it's not an epic fail. So I'm just going to say, I'm going to give it 10/10 because it's not easy. So guys, I hope the video is able to entertain you. I hope you're able to gain 1 or 2 from this video. If you've not subscribed, please remember to hit my subscribe button. It's actually 100% free. Turn on your post notification, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a constructive comment. Comment if you would be able to rock this kind of hairstyle if you're actually low, you actually have low cut. Mind you, this is temporal. I'm not trying to lock my hair. I'm just trying to